In today's class, I want us to play with the questions that we have here on the board. Now, this is the last example on multiplication laws of indices. This will be our last example. So in this case, what are we supposed to do? For those of you in secondary school, I want you to pay attention to this example. Pay attention to these examples. So, number one, now this is the power here is 1, the power here is 1. So any number raised to power 1 is the same number. So this will now be minus 3 d raised to power 3 mn times minus 4 a raised to power 2 n raised to power 3. So what are we supposed to do as usual? We are going to group them. This will be minus 3 times minus 4 times, let's arrange it in alphabetical order. The first letter is A raised to power 2. The next one is D raised to power 3. The next one is M times N. We have N in both sides, N here times N raised to power 3. So coming back here, minus times minus is plus. So now 3 times 4 give us 12 times A raised to power 2 times D raised to power 3 times M times N. The bases are the same. So since this is N, that means this is N raised to power 1. We add the bases. We add the powers. So this will now be 12 A raised to power 2, D raised to power 3, M and N raised to power 4. How do we get 4? 1 plus 3 give us 4. So this gives us the answer to the first one. So we move to number 2. This is raised to power 1. This is raised to power 1. Any number raised to power 1 is the same thing. The same number. So we now have 4d raised to power 3 and raised to power 4 times minus 5d raised to power 4 and raised to power 3. So we group them. This will now be 4 times minus 5 times d raised to power 3 times d raised to power 4. The next one will be times n raised to power 4 times n raised to power 3. Hope you are following. So let's go. Minus here, minus times plus is minus. So 5 times 4 give us minus 20 times d raised to power 3, same basis, so we add the powers, times n raised to power 4, same basis, so we add the powers. So this, we now have 20 times d, 3 plus 4, 7, times n, 4 plus 3, 7, equals to 20 d raised to power 7 n raised to power 7. So I want to take time and play with this. For those of you in secondary school, I repeat, if you don't need this now, you need it. So pay attention. This will help you ahead. So before your teachers get to explain this for you, you already know what to do. So thank you very much and see you in the next class. Goodbye for now.